Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to flip text angle counterclockwise in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to flip text angle counterclockwise. At first, select any cell, then go to the home menu. Select the text direction drop down menu and go to format cell alignment. Then we can see here the degrees option. Now you want to rotate the text using this option. Now I am make the text angle counterclockwise, right, minus, then click OK. We can see we flip the text angle counterclockwise easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.